Hi, welcome back. I just want to share with you what I'm doing in preparations for the upcoming holidays, saying that you can use this any time of the year. So I'm making envelopes, and I just thought I'd share with you how quick and easy it is to make really fun envelopes. I'm using book pages, but you can make them out of anything. So this is the book I'm using. I got it at a yard sale for $10. And I liked it because the illustrations cover the whole page. You know, like one side is nothing and the other side are words and the other side is, you know, a really fun illustration. So all you need to do this is a book page, scissors, and a glue stick. That's it. Now I'm cutting off the rough edge. You don't have to. Not necessary, but I'm going to. So all you need to do is you're going to take your book page and you're going to fold it where it overlaps. You're going to take it and fold probably 1/4 of the page over on top of the quarter of the page, and you're going to overlap it, I don't know, I usually do it about 1/4 of an inch, but you could do it more or less depending upon how large you'd like your envelope. And then you are going to burnish both sides. You're going to take the bottom and you're going to fold it up about 1/4 of an inch. Now, turn it around and fold down the top about 1 inch. Now these are not exact measurements. You'll see after you make these a few times what formula you find works best for you or how you like them best. You're going to open them back up, and this is what it looks like. You folded it with, you have the bottom quarter folded and it's folded in 3 sections, and the top quarter, there's 3 sections in the middle, and then the top 1 inch has 3 sections. You are going to cut off the 2 side sections from the 1/4 of an inch at the bottom, and it's easy to see because you've already folded it, so you've already made your score lines of where you need to cut it, right? And the top. I can guarantee once you start making your own envelopes, you will never see a magazine page the same way again, or a book page. You'll be like, ooh, that could be an envelope. Okay, the gluing, so easy. You're going to decide which piece is going to be on the top and which is going to be on the bottom. The piece that is going to be overlapping on the top, you're going to put glue on the underneath. Just a little glue stick, about the same width of the overlap, and on the underside piece, so you're going to put it on the underneath of this one, and you're going to put it on the top of this one. I'm just going to turn it over so I don't get it on the inside of the envelope. Okay. Now all you're going to do is put the underside piece down, the piece that's going overlapping on the top, burnish it down. Now I like to, this is not a necessary step, but I like to do it where I cut a little niche in both sides, just like that. You're going to glue this down and burnish it down well. Use the back of my scissors as my burnisher. Now the part at the top is If you have a corner rounder, you could use that. I just eyeball it and cut corners off of both. And that is it. As easy as it gets. Now you can decide if you wanted to round your corners, you could trim that out, or round the inside of it, you could trim it out. I don't find it necessary. When you go to put whatever you're putting in and then seal it, you want to put a little glue on the top, close it down, and I always add some decorative tape to the outside just so the person knows like where to open and close it. And put your label or whatever you're going to put in the front, your return address, your stamp, and you're ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this very short, brief tutorial on how to make fun envelopes out of book pages or magazine pages, anything that you have. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you again. Wishing you a creative, crafty day. And as always, from my heart to your heart, I'm sending you so much aloha. Until tomorrow.